I'm going to demo my Books to Read Sinatra app. This is my welcome page, so new users need to sign up or existing users can log in. I'm going to sign up so you can see what a new user looks like. Since I'm a new user, my list is empty. So I can either go look at the list of books that are already in the system, or I can pick and add a book to the list. But I'm going to go look at the list of books that are already here. So maybe I want to read this guy, so I can get more information on it, and then I can add it to my list. I can't edit or delete it because it was created by somebody else, and that somebody else can only edit or delete the book themselves if someone else hasn't added it to their list. So now this is in my list. From the add button on the book show page, I can't add location or notes, but I can do that if I add a book this way. So maybe I want to pick this book. And I can add a link. Can also create a brand new book, and so I can either pick a bunch of books and add a new book, I can just add a book, or I can just pick from the checklists. So that added both of those books at the same time, and it added my notes and my link. If I want to add a note and a link, I can go ahead and pick on Edit, and then add notes. And it tells me that I updated it. So I can go to categories, can view books by category. I can't delete this category because it has books. The category model, I didn't add any validation other than you can't delete it if it's in use. But you can edit it, and you can add a new one. It will tell you that you're editing it, which will affect all the books that are listed above. And if I had books without categories, it would list them here. I can show you that. If I go back to my view book list, I'll add a book without. So that book doesn't have a category. If I go to the view category index and say I want to add a category, that book will show up here. And if I picked on a category and I wanted to edit it, that book would also show up as something that I could add. So from here I can either just add the book and change the name, or just add the book. So now that's been updated. I can log out. If I log out, it sends me to the login page. I can log in as a different user. Joey has a very large list. Joey should have some stuff that's he'd made. So Joey made this book, so Joey could delete this book or edit this book because no one else has this book in their list at this time. or you can go ahead and delete the book. I think that's everything, right? You can add the list, edit, delete it. Yeah, I think that's it.